Every product starts with an idea. At Indoplasko, we turn ideas into reliable plastic solutions. Indoplasko is a plastic manufacturing company focused on quality, precision, and consistency. Clients come to us with a challenge. We respond with carefully planned solutions, not just production. Material selection, precision production, consistency control. Quality is not inspected at the end, it is built into every step. This is how we deliver reliable plastic products for various industries. From concept to production, discover more at www.indoplasko.com.